Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how to use feature of multiple inboxes in Gmail. So for that you have to open your laptop and tap on settings option on right hand side. Out of all the options you have to go from general to inbox. Now the mark is on inbox, the blue mark, and icons beside the question mark one, and click on change the inbox type from default to multiple inboxes. Now see all settings. Now slide and in multiple inbox section delete the section 3 text, right, which says it's important, so you just have to remove the text. Now slide and in multiple inbox position the blue dot should come in above the inbox, right? Now save all the changes by sliding down and tapping on save changes here. Now see, you can see all the starred and draft. So this is how you use the feature of multiple inboxes in Gmail visibility. So we go to settings again and we can select as many, we can select 5 sections and add up to 5 multiple inboxes, and you can label also the name you want to. So now we have labeled important one start emails, right? So that's how we do it. Let's reverse this and go to the settings and inbox. Now in inbox type bring it back to default, save the changes and check your emails, and you will see now it is like before only. See you in the next video. Ta-da.